Hi, my name's Debbie Mewes in Australia, and this is just a quick testimonial for Dan Havey's work for the Membership Ninja course. I have to say I've done a lot of courses and I've done a lot of funnel courses over the years, but nobody has gone to the extent that Dan has to make sure that we have everything we need. We understand everything perfectly. I even had a specific request for inside a membership site. I needed something particular to happen. And Dan went above and beyond what any instructor of any course that I have known has ever done. And even jumping on a Zoom call with me and kind of helping me work through things. It was amazing. So, you know, to get a one-on-one session, or to get the depths of caring connection and to have someone ultimately not really producing a course to generate an income, but producing a course to genuinely see great results and genuinely allow you to get great results is phenomenal. So if you are thinking of it, if you are, you know, if you love to build funnels and create funnels, if you are looking to make a membership site, I can't recommend this highly enough. It's amazing. It's just totally amazing. So please, if you are thinking about it, definitely get started with Dan. It's incredible training.